Welcome to Seema's Way Cooking. Today we're gonna make makdous, pickled eggplants, in a very easy way, preparing it now and serving it right away. First, we cut the eggplants into bite-sized pieces. You can use any type of eggplant, but I'm using these chubby small ones. Then in a pan, we add 2 tablespoons of olive oil and the eggplants, and we saute them until the eggplants become tender. Then we let it aside to cool completely. In the processor, we add 10 garlic cloves, 1 cup of walnuts, 3 tablespoons of tomato paste, 2 tablespoons of pepper paste, 1 tablespoon paprika, 1 tablespoon cayenne, 1 tablespoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of salt, and half a cup of oil. If you don't like it too spicy, don't add the cayenne. Then we mix it together until we get this paste. Then we add the eggplants into the pepper paste mixture and we just mix them together. In a jar, we add oil at the bottom. Then we add the mixture of the eggplant, some walnuts, and we repeat it until all of the ingredients are inside the jar. We fill the jar with oil until the top so that no air bubbles will stay and ruin the mixture. You can serve it right away or keep it in the fridge. Bon appetit!